Array cardio. Can us brain dead developers still write some map, reduce, filter, sort, unique, all of those hard things around working with data? We have 10 different array questions, a whole test suite ready to roll. We're going to see if we can implement them, and whoever gets the test suite to pass 100% first is the winner.
3, 2, 1, let's go.
Okay, sum an array of numbers. Oh, that is easy. Return, I can't spell return, oh my gosh. Return the numbers dot reduce. Oh, why is my
wait, whoa. Did somebody do a countdown?
I said 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, okay. All right, Wes already started. Wes is going, so I haven't started. Oh my God.
So that should solve some reduce of an empty array with no initial value. Yeah, so we need to start this off with 0 if it's an empty array. There we go, sum is passing.
So we have numbers for each. Wait, why am I doing a for each here? Let sum is equal to 0. Who cares? Whatever. This is how I chose to do this.
Okay, we're good. Okay, so return, we're going to return the numbers dot reduce A and B. From that, we are going to simply return A plus B. We'll start with 0. Give a save. Boom, 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 pass. Okay, next.
Next up, remove duplicates. Now, you could just throw this into a set, but I think what I'm going to do is create a set and then iterate and filter. So that way they keep their order, because a set will change the order. So we'll have the unique will be a new set. And then for each one, items.filter, we get each item. And we'll say if unique.has I return false, but before that we need to put all of the unique values in there. Actually, it's an easy way to do that. We'll spread items into the unique set. Oh, I think I don't have to spread it. I can just call it like that. Yeah. So we have it. No, that's not going to work. It's just going to be like the first occurrence of it. Wow, why is this so hard? Okay.
If we spread the items, possibly. No, we just say new set of items and then return data. Does that do it? Oh, it's returning a set. So what if we did, can you spread a set? Or is there 2 an array? Okay, perfect.
The reduce is reducing down to an array. And we'll say if unique has that given value, then we just return the result as is. Otherwise, we'll push that value into the result and then return the result. And then result is an array of t. My result has 1, 2, 1, 2, 1 in it. Oh, because I need to actually add it to the set, of course. So if it doesn't have it, then we do unique.add value. That way, next time around, it won't have it. There we go. Passing. All right, partition. Oof, that took me way too long.
Partition. All right. Split elements that satisfy pred versus those that do not. What does that even mean? Split. Oh, those that satisfy pred, which returns a boolean. Why am I'm creating a new array? So new r is equal to, and then we'll have the r dot for each. And for each of these things, we're going to have item inside of here. And we're going to say if, and we're going to run pred as a function. My code is flashing left and right. Why is it flashing? VS Code, you crazy.
All right, return the user's name for ID or null if not found. We got users coming in, which looks like an array. Okay. Oh, that's easy. Okay, so we'll do is it const user is equal to users.find, where the user.id is equal to the ID, then return user.name or null. Boom. Error. Transform error. Oh, period. Boom. That one passed.
All right. Moving on to running total. Cumulative sum at each step. Okay, so we have values. I'm gonna have to look at the test for this one. So if you call a running total with 5, you get back 5. If you call it a running total with 1, -2, 3, you get 1. And then 1 plus -2 is -1. And then -2 plus 3. What? Cumulative sums?
So returns the name or null. So we want to name or null. We want to find name by ID. So we want to have users dot find and then user, and we'll say return user dot ID is equal to ID. Okay. Returns name or null. Okay. Bob should be, so user ID is equal to the ID, we should return this. What does it actually return? The user's name. Okay. .name. Bingo. No? Okay, finally. Jeez. Okay.
What's the best way to do this? If the title starts with, but no, we essentially just want to replace anything that starts with the, or and. Do we want to regex it off? I think so. So anything that starts with, regex the, or and. Console title without leading. That didn't work. You know what? Screw it. I'm going replace the with. Oh, wait. I forgot to put the actual value that we're going to replace it with. That didn't work.
Okay, so we get an array with all of these objects, and then we need to group by, so we're grouping by subject. So that's step one. Let's call this top, and this is going to be just an object, just for each over these. So for each row, we'll say if, and so top is, here comes some TypeScript. Okay, so this is going to be a record where the keys are all of the rows subject. I guess they're just strings. It's just strings. So record string this. It's this. This is our type. I can just copy it. And it just starts off as the empty object like that. Beautiful. Now for each row, if the top at row.subject does not exist, then top at row subject equals just an empty array. Well, an array with that row and just an empty array. And then we push the row in. So this is going to give us an object where each of the subjects are the keys, but then we have entire arrays of every one, but we only need to grab the top in amount. So instead of pushing every single one in, I think we'll push all of them in, and then afterwards and I don't need to return this. So this is basically just create a top. Afterwards, we go over each of the subjects. So I'll do like object dot keys top, and then for each one, we're going to modify this thing. It's going to give us each subject. The top at that subject is going to be equal to itself, sorted on score, so A and B, and then we slice that to grab only the top in, and then we return the top. Oh, we don't include the subject on there. So here's what we do. Whenever we push these rows in, we just grab the score. It's going to be row.score, and the student ID is row.student ID. But otherwise, that passes it. Sweet. For one of them, the other one it doesn't.
A splitter into consecutive chunks of length. The last chunk may be shorter. What does that even mean? Oh, I see what it's saying. Okay. So we want to say, we want to return. We want to construct this array. So that means a good idea to construct this array would be, well, we want to split this into buckets. So we want to split array every 2 items. Oh my God. So you could just straight up do r dot for, I'm just gonna do this item, and then actually we're gonna get the I2, and then we're going to say, oh God, how do you even do that?
All right, screw it. I'm coming back to this one. Split an array into consecutive chunks of okay, good. Give me this. Okay, so console log, we have an array. We have a number. What we want to do is return the array. We want to reduce it. Let's start with an empty array. And then we got the accumulator, but then you have the value. And for each one, we want to return an array, which is, we simply just want to return the value and slice from the slice from 0 to the number. No, we want the accumulator to push that. What's val? Oh. All right, we're doing a for loop.
Now we got 2 left. These are hard. We have doc words. So word sorted list of document IDs that contain that word, each ID once per word. I'm gonna have to look at the test. Like what is this? What does this want? We have an array of doc words, and then we're putting the keys to be all of the words, and then which document they occurred in. Okay, so same thing. We're gonna start off with the result is just an empty object of this type. And then we'll iterate over all the docs to put each of the words in it. So we'll just do docs.forEach. We get each doc, and then result. We'll say if result at doc dot is the doc ID, or no, we want words. We need to iterate over the words.
Why am I having such a hard time with this, folks? If new chunk exists, then push an item into it. Otherwise, why can't I create this? 3, okay, so mine is off by 1. I mean, do I just do this after the fact here? That fixes it. Okay, splits into consecutive chunks. Splits into consecutive chunks. This is stupid. If r.length is equal to 0. I'm cheesing this one, sorry guys. This is so dumb. All right, return. I think we're just returning an empty array, or what are we returning here? What does it need to return? Chunks. Okay, did that finish the chunks one? Okay.
So we have bird, doc2, cat includes doc2, and it should not. Oh, they need to be sorted. That's weird, but I can do that very easily. Because after all of that, push it and then sort it on A and B. Why does it have to be in the right order? We'll do a.locale compare with B. Yeah, okay, that got it. All right, last one. I don't know how the other guys are doing, but I'm doing great.
Well, an array where I know these. I know this.
States ordered by total population descending. Each entry lists that state's names. Right, so we get a list of cities, and then we need unique objects of just the state. So first, let's just accumulate. Yeah, we need to accumulate all of this into objects that look like this. So we're gonna, third verse, same as the first. We have the result. Starts off as an array. I kind of want it to be, so I can easily look it up. I'm gonna actually do it as an object of arrays. So here's our type. Basically, I want a record where the key is going to be a string, which is the state, and then the value is going to be that array of things.
Cumulative sum at each step. So what is this looking to return? So if the input is 5, the output is values. Okay, input is 5, output is 5. Okay, so if we want to then do a dot map where we do val, where each val is going to be the running total. Let total is equal to 0, and we're going to say val plus total. Okay?
And then we want to return that. Boom. What am I looking at here? Chunk, go. Actual, undefined. You're looking for a nested array, of course. What is wrong? Oh, I forgot to put a return there. Still didn't fix it. Array, 1, 2. Oh, slice is not it. Is it splice? Yes, splice. Okay, next.
Because we will iterate over the cities. So we'll do cities.forEach, and then if result at that city.state is not a thing, then we create it, and it's going to look like this, where the city.state is here, total population starts off as 0, and then cities starts off as empty array. Why is this complaining? State does not exist on type. Oh no, it's not an array. It's just a thing. Okay, there we go. So we do that, and then we say result at city state dot total population plus equal this given city dot population, and then we also do result dot city state dot cities. We're going to push in that given city name. Yes. And then we grab all of the values. So we'll do object dot values on result, and we sort them by population, I think. So we'll do a dot total population, and we want them greatest to least. So we'll do b dot total population minus a dot total top population. Done. Oh, not done. Okay, so close. Actual looks good. Again, we need to sort the cities inside. Oh, that's so silly. Okay, but right here, after we push in the city name, we sort them. We get A and B. Oh, my heart's racing. I want to be the first one to win. Okay, A and B, and we do b.locale compare. We do cities.sort. b.locale compare with A. No, what did I get wrong? Okay. No! One of them is alphabetically sorted, and then the next one is not. That is tricky. No, it's A to B. Okay, it's A to B. That's why. Done. There we go. Done.
Oh, did CJ finish? He's so good.
My VS Code is just like flashing like a dang arcade.
Now
That's great. No.
Return
That
take
the
the
top
end
end
scores.
The top end scores
first.
It sorts the list of document
No,
IDs
don't use
that
AI.
contain
Oops. Oh no,
that
stop.
word.
I pushed the AI button. Don't. That's not allowed.
What does that even mean?
It's just so painful.
Return
Holy
where the D dot
Okay,
words.
so
Wes, you win.
okay. Scott has given up.
Wait, hold on.
I'm victorious.
How many did you finish? Let's just say that.
All
How
right,
many
hold
did
on,
you
let me
finish?
unmute.
How many passed? How many did you get past?
I have one left. That's not
Okay,
passing.
then you did get second. Congratulations.
But yeah, I don't want to make you guys feel bad, but I finished 28 minutes ago.
You blew through it. So good. We need somebody in the comments to make more of these for us. Because like I use Claude to generate these based off of some previous ones that I've done in my courses, but I would like an actual dev. So if you love weird stuff like this, leave a comment below.
And if you want to give these a try, let us know how you did. I don't know my
Yes.
exact timing, but 30 minutes faster than these guys. So how did you do?